Hello, this video will introduce you to the new Zartek radio TX-8. This radio comes in a twin pack with two radios and some accessories. These radios are fairly heavy duty. They're a semi-professional radio, a hard casing, PTT button, rubber buttons, a fixed antenna, a side jack, USB charger, the standard accessories that they come with. There's a manual, there's two cradle chargers, space for the radio, and a space for the battery. A mini USB cable, either to power up the desktop charger or to charge the radio directly. A dual mains adapter with two USB outputs. And a belt clip pouch makes the radio a lot more durable. To insert the battery, remove the back case, check where the contacts are, and close the case. They do require initial charge of about 4 or 5 hours. Plug into the charger, the cable at the back of the charger. As you can see, the light is red when it's charging, and eventually it will go green once it's full. To charge the radio directly, plug in the cable into the side USB socket and the light will show on the radio itself. To connect the pouch, the radio slots in, and this is quite useful for carrying around. You can leave it on your belt or you unclip it and then use it. PTT buttons on the side.
Power on 2.
As you turn on the radio, it announces what channel.
Power on 1.
And to change the channel, there's a plus and a minus button on the side.
2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 16.
There's 16 pre-programmed channels. To link the radios, choose the same channel.
1, 16.
Press the PTT button to talk and talk into the microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2. The radio will show when it's receiving. 1, 2, 1, 2. And use the top knob to adjust the volume. The side buttons, if you hold in the top button, that's the monitor feature that monitors the whole frequency. If you press the bottom button in for 3 seconds, it will make a local alarm sound. Other features can be changed in programming. This is the slot for headsets or the programming cable to connect via USB. The cable that it comes with is only a charging cable. The cable is not a programming cable. The cable is a charging cable. The TX-8 is a basic radio, very simple to use, great features and very convenient. Ideal for everyone, kids, first time users of radios. It's a robust radio without many complicated features, no screen, but they are a very effective communication tool. Range will depend on terrain. These radios work well indoors and outdoors. In indoors terrain, buildings, in forests with a lot of obstructions in the way, range will be about 600 meters to 1.2 kilometers. As you go outdoors, range will improve with better clarity, with less obstructions in the way, like open fields or farms. Range will be about 2 to 6 kilometers. If you have better line of sight, so the higher up you go, the more elevation, with a clearer line of sight, you'll reach better distances. 10 to 30 kilometers is possible between radios with good clear line of sight. To link radios together, you can see there's a table showing the default programming. There's channels 1 to 16. Those are the 16 channels that the radio comes with. The first 1 to 8 are using the frequencies 1 to 8. That's on the 446 megahertz band with a tone of 10. Channels 9, 10 and 11 are using frequencies 1, 2 and 3. And channels 12 to 16 are using the 5 frequencies in the 464 megahertz with a tone of 15 and tones of 20. So that's how you link up radios together. Make sure to select the same frequency and same tone to communicate with other radios. The optional accessories available: the headsets plug into the side socket. It's a double jack, the microphone and the speaker. There's various headsets available. The programming cable is called a GE254. That's a 2-pin programming cable, also fits into that same socket to connect to the computer and change various settings. The settings that you can adjust are, the most common is different frequencies to get more privacy between radios, so less interference from other people. And you can also adjust the squelch, the timer, how long you can transmit for. With PC programming, you can also turn on or off the Vox setting, the voice activation setting, and there's 9 sensitivity levels and a delay of 0.5 to 3 seconds. The Vox voice activation settings allows the radio to be used hands-free, but it can only be turned on or off in programming. So there's no manual setting on the button on the radio to turn it on or off. So only in software can it be turned on or off for hands-free mode. The emergency alarm, that's the bottom button. It can be changed from a local or remote. Also, the bottom button, you can activate scanning of up to 16 channels on the radio. The TX-8 radio is an excellent radio for everyday usage.
Power on. 16.
They are fairly durable. They have clear, loud audio, excellent range. Batteries are also fairly common. This is a standard size battery. And
Power on. 16.
charging is also very convenient using the cradle charger or the USB plug-in charger. Battery life is about 25 hours on normal use. As you can see, the radio is ultra thin, semi-heavy duty, ideal for usage on factories, warehouses, security, everyday usage. The TX-8 is a effective radio, good value, and should last many years of communication.